Hello there, my name's Tracy Elsom and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator based in Canada, and welcome to my Papercraft with Me YouTube channel. Today I want to show you a quick option for updating a project that comes in this month's Paper Pumpkin kit. This is the Hugs from Shelley kit. It's the May 2019 Paper Pumpkin kit from Stampin' Up! And it's absolutely gorgeous. The box is just the start. One of the cards that was in the kit is this one, really pretty crumb cake background and with a nest and a few flowers and bits and pieces for it, all that came in the kit. But I wanted to update that particular image, so what I did was I took one of the other cards that came in the kit. There were 3 each of 4 different designs, so this is one of the other ones, and I'm going to use watercolor pencils. Now this was the original watercolor set that Stampin' Up! Have. Watercolor pencils assortment 2 came out as a limited time product a little while ago, and it's now going to reappear in the annual catalogue, so that's absolutely wonderful. So from the very first pack I'm going to take the white, and from this new pack I've got Coastal Cabana and Granny Apple Green. And all I am going to do is really very simple. I am going to grab my white pencil and I'm colouring over the eggs, and I will do the same with these leaves. And you can see it doesn't seem to be making an awful lot of difference, but I can assure you that little bit of white pencil that I'm putting down will make a big difference. So I'll finish the rest in a little while, but now I've got the Coastal Cabana pencil, and now when I colour over that white, it kind of holds on to the colour and it really makes it stand out. So I'm not using any water. These are just coloured pencils effectively that I'm using there. The Granny Apple Green. Let's go over those white pieces there. And you can see the colour really is standing out very easily. And that is all there is to it. So what a great way to take a card that is essentially on craft or a pale brownish colour, and adding a real pop of colour without too much difficulty at all. So I'm going to finish off those few little leaves, and then I will put the finished project on my blog. So there you are. There's an option for you. So I hope that's been useful. I hope it's inspired you to have a go and maybe try that on some of your own projects. If you want more paper crafting tips and tricks and inspiration, do visit my blog at papercraftwithme.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel to make sure that you get all the updates when they come through. So in the meantime, thank you very much for watching, and I hope to speak to you again soon. Bye.